Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move on Monday. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading at a level of $2.4230. Okay, this is a 15-minute chart where you will see clearly how the price of natural gas is moving in a day. See, if you look at this particular chart, what we have seen, this gap is still pending. Okay, it has made a high of around $2.4960 and still this level a little more is left. Okay, if you go previously, what you will see that there is a continuous 2-3 times gap down. We have seen this is also a gap down which was already filled. Again we have seen a drop. Why we have seen the drop? Because if you see, the dollar index, we have seen that it is getting lower and lower, and a probability of further low we can see. Okay, that will in turn creates a high in the natural gas prices, as we have seen in gold and silver also. Okay, and what you can see looking at this particular chart, Monday we will see that there is a high probability that we can see it can go further upside if the price keeps sustaining above a level of 2.4. Once it sustains above this level, chances of touching this gap will be there, and as soon as started going higher, we can see it will go further upside. If you go on a 2 hours basis of chart, you will see clearly that there is a higher chances that it is trying to go upside after forming a swing at a level of $2.2141. Okay, and it has already formed a swing, so chances can be high. We can see if it started going upside, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, if you go on clearly, you will see on a day-wise chart. So before moving ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next on this Monday, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, there is a higher chances that we can see a probability if the price keep moving below a level of $2.2. Okay, chances are very high we can see a further fall in the price of natural gas. Okay, but if the price is started sustaining above a level of $2.75, chances of going further upside we can see, because there is a clear pattern forming towards an upside. But if the price keep falling below a level of 2.2, a further downfall we can see, and then there is a higher chances of going further low. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go, you see there is a U pattern is forming, and chances are very high that if the price keep moving below a level of 2.2, a further fall we can see. But from 2 days we have seen there is a continuous upside, and chances can be high that if the price keeps sustaining above this particular level, okay, and goes above a level of $2.5, we can see a little more upside towards 2.58, and once started going above a level of $2.75, we will see a further upside, because there is a trend towards an upside if the price move above a level of 2.75. so let's see if the price sustain this level, because it is trying to go upside. Overall trend is downside, yet you have to understand. So if it moves below a level of $2.2, a further fall we can see, and chances of going below a level of $2 also we can see. Okay, it has already formed a swing, so chances can be high. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will go further upside towards a level of $2.448, and if started going above that level, we will see it will touch a level of $2.4958. Okay, suppose if the price move above that particular zone, chances of going further upside we can see towards a level of $2.5846. Okay, and if the price started going above that particular zone, we can see it will go further upside, and a probability of touching 2.6681 is there. 2.6681 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross that level, and yes, a probability of going towards 2.77681 is there. Okay, and once the price started going above this particular zone, yes, we can see a probability of sustaining above this level, and a probability of going towards $2.9 is there. Keep that in mind, that as soon as started going above a level of $2.75, chances will be very high it will go above a level of 2.9. From there it will cross a level of around $3, because there is a clear pattern forming, so chances are very higher that as soon as started above $3, we will see a level of around $3.3 to a level of 3.5, and then from there a further upside movement we can see. Now two big patterns are forming here if the price fall below this level, and chances will be high that if the price keep below a level of 2.3, a probability of going further downfall we can see, and it started going below 2.3, then a confirmation will see that if it started touching a level of 2.2, and then further fall we can see. See, opposite U pattern is forming here also, and the opposite 2 pattern is forming. These 2 patterns are forming, but till the time it is not going above level of 2.75, we will not see a further upside movement. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, because market is uncertain, you have to understand this. Okay, overall trend is downside, but market is uncertain, you have to understand it. So always try to set your SL, it will save your capital. Always try to trail your SL, it will save your profit. These two things you have to do in order to sustain for a longer period of time. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards its next support at a level of $2.385, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 2.261. Once the price started falling below this particular level, chances of going further down we can see towards a level of $2.241. Okay, and if started moving below this level, a further fall we can see towards a level of $2.0862. $2.0862 is already being a weak support, so chances are high we can see the price will fall further low, and yes, it will go further down towards a level of $1.973. Okay, and if started going below this particular zone, we will see a level of $1.8338. Okay, and once the price started falling $1.8338, a further fall we can see towards a level of $1.7921, and from there a further downfall. Keep that in mind, that if the price started moving below this level, a further downfall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. If you're a beginner, I take workshop for beginner also and for advanced level also. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.